Good day everyone, I'm excited that you can join me today for Origami Fun. I love all the incoming origami creations. Keep sending them to library@buckeyeaz.gov. And this week I will show you how to create a butterfly. Let's get started. The supplies you will need is a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, and some markers. Once you've selected your sheet of paper, you want to cut a square out of the sheet of paper. So bring one corner down into a triangle shape, just like this. And go ahead and cut off this rectangle shape there off to the side. All right, go ahead and open up your sheet. And we want to create a plus sign. So you already have one diagonal line there, so you want to do it on the opposite side. So grab your sheet and fold it into a triangle again. Make sure that you're creasing this down good. Open up your page again. Now you should have four triangles, and at this point you're going to fold your page in half. Like this. Now we're going to hold your sheet like this. We're trying to create some flaps, and this is the easiest way to do it. So hold your page upward with the triangle facing up, and you have a crease here, and you want to push the crease inward, guiding the sides of this triangle here fold so you can push it inward and create those flaps. So go ahead and do the same thing to the opposite side. So hold your page, the triangle facing upward, the crease here in the middle, push it in, and then just guide the edges inward so you can create that flap. Now, flip your triangle so the tip is facing you, it's facing downward. On one of the flaps, you're going to bring it down in a diagonal way. So don't fold it this way. You have to make sure that the little point here is outside of this triangle. Just like this. Do the same thing to the other side. You just need one of them. And make sure that it's outside of that triangle. Go ahead and flip your masterpiece over. Now you're going to bring this point upward. And it is okay if these start coming up, because those will be the wings. And go ahead and fold that there. And then flip it over one more time. This triangle that's left, you're going to fold it over towards the middle. Just like this. Go ahead and fold this right in the middle. Like so. And here is your butterfly. Now at this point you can begin to color and add some designs. If you have you know, some confetti or glitter, you can use that. So I'm just going to go and draw a few of these. You can color them in. And you can add whatever designs you want through these. Now let me show you, I took some time and color in. Here's this finished butterfly once you add all your designs to it. And there is your butterfly. If you haven't already, go to read20az.org and register for our summer reading program, Imagine Your Story. Throughout the summer activities, you will find secret codes to enter for additional points. For example, since you have watched this video, our secret code is Origami Butterfly. Receive additional points by sending a picture of your completed masterpiece. Thanks for joining us. Happy summer.